Looking for a free alternative to Microsoft Office? In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to download and install LibreOffice on your computer safely and completely free. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to LibreOffice.org. Once you're on the website, click on Download. Then select Download LibreOffice. Here, choose your operating system. Windows 64-bit is selected by default for most systems. Then click the Download button and wait a few seconds for the file to download. Now, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file to run it. Click Next on the welcome screen. Here, you can choose between Typical and Custom installation. Typical is recommended for most users, so leave it as default and click Next. Once it's done, click Finish. And as you can see, it's done. You now have LibreOffice Writer, Calc, Impress, and more, ready to use for free. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to motivate me to make more videos.